Welcome to Canaan Naturals cooking class. Well, not class, but recipe. This is a quick and easy recipe. It's chicken parmesan. My family loves it. This product makes it a very easy make. As you're going to see, it's really quick and easy, especially if you're in a hurry, but you want something elegant. This will be a quick recipe. So first we're going to spray our pan with some avocado oil. So once this is done, we're going to stick it in the oven, and it's going to bake for 20 to 25 minutes.